Once you've finished checking in at one of these kiosks or this counter, then you look for a sign that says gates. Right here it says all gates, because your airplane actually departs from a thing called a gate. So this one has an arrow up the escalator or elevator, so you just follow the signs where it says gates, and then when you get at the top, you keep following the signs. The security checkpoint, and then you wait in these long lines. This is where you show your passport, your ID, and your boarding pass. And it says right here, ticketed passengers only.